Plant FAQs, Hosta Wide Brim. Hosta Wide Brim, a shade garden gem. As a gardener with a penchant for low-maintenance beauty, the Hosta Wide Brim has become a mainstay in my shady haven. This perennial boasts a captivating combination of foliage and understated flowers, making it a versatile addition to any landscape. Over the years, I've fielded questions from fellow plant enthusiasts curious about this particular hosta. So, I thought I'd share some insights I've gleaned from cultivating this delightful shade dweller. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. Does the Hosta Wide Brim have white flowers? While the Hosta Wide Brim might entice you with its elegant form, its floral display leans towards the subtle side. The flowers themselves are not white, but a pale lavender hue. They bloom atop slender scapes in mid to late summer, adding a touch of vertical interest to the lush foliage. While not the showiest bloomers, their delicate fragrance attracts butterflies, a welcome sight in any garden. Is Wide Brim Hosta a hybrid? You got it. The Hosta Wide Brim is indeed a hybrid, a cross between Hosta Sieboldi and Hosta elegans. This parentage combines the best of both worlds, the bold foliage of Sieboldi with the attractive margins of elegans. The result is a stunning hosta with broad, dark green leaves edged in a creamy yellow band. This striking contrast adds year-round visual interest, even after the flowers fade. What color flowers does the Wide Brim Hosta have? As mentioned earlier, the Wide Brim Hosta produces pale lavender flowers. These bell-shaped blooms are a departure from the more showy flowers of some perennials, but their delicate charm complements the hosta's overall aesthetic. The flowers rise gracefully on tall scapes, adding a touch of verticality to the lush foliage mound. How to care for your Hosta Wide Brim? The good news is, the Hosta Wide Brim is a remarkably easy plant to care for. Here are some key tips to ensure your hosta thrives. Light. This shade-loving perennial prefers dappled sunlight, or even full shade. Avoid placing it in areas with harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Soil. Hostas appreciate moist, well-drained soil. Amending your planting bed with compost will help retain moisture and provide essential nutrients. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot and dry spells. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Fertilizer. While not strictly necessary, a light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can promote healthy growth. How to propagate Hosta Wide Brim? Sharing the beauty of the Hosta Wide Brim is easy. This perennial can be propagated through division in spring or fall. Here's a quick guide. Carefully dig up the mature hosta clump using a shovel. Use a sharp knife to divide the clump into sections, ensuring each division has healthy roots and buds. Replant the divisions in prepared soil, water thoroughly, and keep them mulched for moisture retention. What to plant with Hosta Wide Brim? The Hosta Wide Brim's versatility makes it a perfect companion for various shade-loving plants. Here are some ideas. Ferns. Ferns add a graceful texture and complement the hosta's foliage. Opt for varieties with similar light requirements. Heuchera. Coral bells. Heuchera's colorful foliage provides a vibrant contrast to the hosta's green and yellow tones. Astilbes. These shade-loving perennials offer a profusion of feathery flowers in various colors, adding a touch of whimsy. By incorporating the Hosta Wide Brim into your shade garden, you'll be rewarded with a low-maintenance plant that offers year-round beauty. Its captivating foliage and delicate flowers create a serene atmosphere, making it a true gem for any shady space.